After downloading the iOS 18 on your device, have you ever encountering any bugs? Here we'll offer you some fixes. First is how to fix iOS 18 setting bugs. Method 1. Restart the iPhone. Access Settings. Tap on General and tap Shutdown. Slide to Power Off. After the iPhone shuts down, press and hold the side button again to restart. Method 2. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Scroll down to tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter your screen lock passcode and tap Reset all settings to start. Next is how to fix iOS 18 setting bugs. Method 3. Force restart iPhone. You can follow the on-screen guide to fix the busy server bugs by force restarting your device. Method 4. Restore iPhone in iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Open iTunes and click the iPhone button near the top left of the iTunes window. Head to the Summary tab and click on the Restore button. Method 5. Use System Repair tool. Select iOS System Repair and click the Start button. Simply select Standard Repair to save data. Select the firmware version and click the Download button to download the firmware package. Then MagFone will fix the iOS 18 bugs on your device. Method 6. Downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17. Back up your iPhone data first, then select the Upgrade/Downgrade iOS option. Click Start Downgrade to let the downgrading process begin.